Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Jess once again. It is my vacant time so I did my task. So yung task ko guys is gumawa ako ng orientation for PMES. Kasi yung goal ko mga guys is to relay the knowledge, information, and also for my colleagues to understand it. And syempre, so that they are updated. So ito palang activity guys na orientation is ginawa ko sa Canva application. And I feel happy mga guys kasi meron na naman akong learnings na natutunan in which I could apply in my teaching and learning process. And also to our site and other activities. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung ginawa ko. So, this is what I did. Dito ko siya ginawa sa Canva application than PowerPoint presentation. To discover new learnings na pwedeng i-apply sa mga seminars and trainings and also to my class. Well, hindi ko pa dyan natapos mga guys. So, kanina ko lang siya natapos around 4 p.m. Alright, so I'm on my way for relaying this to my colleagues. And I know that they want also to know this so that they can also prepare and gain new learnings. Alright mga guys, so that's all for my vlog and thank you for watching my videos. So that's the wrap. I'm out. God bless everyone and take care. See you on my next vlog.